In this video we are going to learn what is inheritance, how to implement it in C++ code.
Hello and welcome back. In last lecture, we have learned that what is the inheritance, and we have learned that the type of inheritance. Now, in this video lecture, we are going to implement that how we are going to implement the concept of inheritance in a C++ programs. So here I am having just a main code. So here I am going to declare one class. Let's name a class A, and this is my class. Let's declare function or a method data member show. Now here in this method I'm going to write some string. So it's United Kingdom. Okay, fine. Just a language mistake. Okay, so here I'm going to write I am class is method. Fine. Okay, so now, okay, so this is my method for class A. So similarly, I'm going to design one new class that is similar kind of a A, but this class is B, and let's rename these methods like show A and here show B, and this is class B. Right? So now inside the main, what I am going to do, okay, let's compensate some space. Okay, so this is one method for class A. So this is my class B. Okay, so that's fine. So I'm having two classes without any relationship between this class and A and B. Both classes are independent. There is no relationship among this class A and class B. Now if I want to invoke this show A, so what should I do? First I'm going to declare an object of A, obj, fine. And here I'm going to invoke obj dot show A, fine. So it is going to invoke this method show A. So similarly for the B, obj, let's take a B, and here obj B dot show B. So this is the simple method invocation we already did in the previous classes, right? So let's execute this. Let's see that what is in the output screen. It's obviously it will write. Okay, so here should be B, fine, so that we can distinguish between these two methods. So let me rectify that /n for the new line, and here should be B's. Now let's execute this, and you can see this is I'm a class A method, I'm a class B method. Okay, so now here I'm going to make a relationship between this A and B class. So here I'm going to use a full colon. So this is a full colon, fine, full colon. So this is the symbol to make a inheritance, to implement an inheritance within the classes. So here I want to inherit class A, fine. So just simply write a class A. So let's check the syntax. No problem with that. Okay, by default it's a private, but you can specify the mode of inheritance. So here I am publicly inheriting this class A. So this concept we are going to learn in the next class. So for this lecture, I'm just going to illustrate the simple implementation of an inheritance. So now here, what that line means? That means your A is a child class. B is a child class where A is your mother class or a base class. Right? So I have derived class B from the class A. So A is my parent class and B is my child class. Fine. So now as B is inheriting something from A, fine. So here I'm going to just make it a comment. So here I just invoke the show B. Now as this is a public, fine. So with the B's object, I can invoke the show A. Let's see how we can do that. Obj B, this is the object of a class B. Now you can say the visibility of both of the methods. In the previous case, the visibility of both method was not there. So here I'm going to invoke show A. So let's execute this again. Okay, so it's compiling. Now I'm executing it. So I'm a class B and method I'm class A method. So first B is invoked and then A is invoked. As here you have invoked the B first, then A first. So let's put a slash n over here. Okay, so now it's pretty obvious that with inheritance you can use some of the code or a method from a class, a parent class. So now let's suppose just reverting to the previous implementation. So I make this as a comment. So B is an independent class again and A is also independent class again. So in this case there is no relationship between a class B and A. So here let's compile this and here we will have an error. The class B has no member name show A. So show A doesn't belong to the B because there is no relationship between these two classes. So to make relationship between class A and B, I'm using an inheritance symbol that is a full colon and then assess method, in which method you want to inherit. I'm inheriting publicly the class A. And this is a single level inheritance as your class A is a parent class and B is your derived class. So in this lecture, so it's enough. And in next lecture, we are going to learn another type of inheritance, and we will dig deep into the inheritance. Till now, enjoy this code. I am going to put this code in a link in the description so that you can download it and play with this code. And subscribe to my YouTube channel so that you will get an update related to my videos. And thanks for watching. And keep tuned. Okay.